Hi, welcome to Engineers Week. I'm Justina Sanchez, and today I want to talk to you about quality. Quality engineering, what does that look like, and what are the responsibilities? So I'll start by sharing. My name is Justina Sanchez, and I'm a quality engineer with TÜV Süd America. Before I jump in, I'll share a little bit about myself. I've been in the quality division for the last 2 years. Previous to this role, I was a product safety engineer. My background is in electrical engineering, and I have 18 years of experience in regulatory and compliance. I like to keep healthy by exercising, eating well, and staying involved at my church. I also love to travel and explore new places, cultures, meet new people, try new foods, especially desserts. So I'm going to start by telling you a little bit about TÜV Süd America. We are a part of the TIC industry. That's testing, inspection, and certification. We certify quality management systems, and we conduct property risk assessments, and we test and certify products to make sure they're safe for you to use. If you were to turn over any of those devices that you plug in, you'll see a bunch of symbols on the back. Well, we are one of those symbols. And what that means is that it's been evaluated and is safe for you to use. These are just a few of the services that we provide. So what are the responsibilities of a quality engineer? Well, we support and maintain and drive continuous improvement of the internal quality management system, and we make sure it's done in accordance with our accreditors' regulations and requirements. We also conduct internal audits of all of our labs, as well as support external and customer audits. We'll analyze nonconformities and customer complaints. And as a quality division, we manage our corporate procedures and write the necessary control documents like different processes, work instructions, procedures, or forms, whatever may be needed. Performing and supporting audits is a big part of what we do. So what do you do during an audit? Well, depending on the scope of the lab, we carry out the audit accordingly. For example, some of the documents here on the left, we find our requirements from, and that's what we audit to, and that's what the lab needs to be in compliance with. We look at ISO IEC 17025, OSHA NRTL programs and policies, IECEE operational documents, as well as our quality management system. In an internal audit, there are different aspects. One part of it is witness testing and reviewing records for the test equipment used for that witness testing. This is one of my favorite parts because, as I mentioned, previous to this role, I was a product safety engineer for the last 6 years. So prior to my joining the quality team, I used to carry out all of these tests that I now get to witness the engineers doing. I also used to write the reports that now we in quality review. I really enjoy being back in the lab and sharing best practices from my experiences and taking them from one place to another. That's why doing this part of internal audits is one of my faves. Another responsibility of a quality engineer is to support external audits. We support the lab being audited virtually or in person, and we, along with the other staff involved, will carry out a similar audit to the internal ones that we perform, only this time we are the support for the quality portion of that audit. We have to show within our quality management system how we comply to the requirements. What you see here are a few of the labs that I've been able to travel to on-site to do internal audits or support external audits. Anytime it's found that we do not meet the requirements of the regulatory body or we deviate from our own procedures, that's going to result in a non-compliance. If a customer has a bad experience and files a complaint, then that's going to be an official complaint and an investigation will be launched. All of these are put into our system and turned into CAPAs. That stands for corrective and preventative actions. Quality is responsible for ensuring that the owner of these CAPAs and all the stakeholders are addressing the issues found, that they're investigating why it happened, and establishing a preventative action to ensure there are no reoccurrences. We keep everybody accountable and make sure it's done in a timely manner. We're We're also responsible for controlling documents. Yes, at times we write them or update existing procedures, work instructions, forms, and processes. As requirements change and processes improve, all associated documentation needs to be updated to reflect those changes. And we in quality are in charge of that. We, along with the responsible personnel, will work together in getting them updated and officially released within our system. So now I'm going to give you a quick behind the scenes look of what a day in the life looks like.
Hi, my name is Justina Sanchez. Join me today as we do a day in the life of a quality engineer. So as a quality engineer, most days look a little bit different. And so today I'm supporting an audit virtually that's happening in our Boston office. So join me.
So that was a little bit of a behind the scenes look of what it looked like to support an audit from inside of our local lab. I am hybrid, so when not on site or not on traveling, I do work from home, but there are definitely perks to going in the office as well as traveling and working from home. So I hope you enjoyed that behind the scenes look.
Hi, my name's
I want to thank you for your time. Thank you for learning a little bit about quality and quality engineers, as well as our responsibilities. And if you have any questions or comments, I do welcome you to get in touch with me here. You'll see my LinkedIn account and you'll see my Instagram. So send your questions my way, and I hope you have a great rest of your engineers week. Thank you. We'll see you soon. Bye.